Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials and opening the insurer portal or Absure. Do this now. Have your Iqama number, passport, employer name, and current policy number in front of you because the system will ask for exact entries. Choose the renewal period, usually 1 year, and confirm your payment method. Why? Accurate details prevent rejection and delay. Once done, log in with your Absure credentials or insurer account. Then navigate directly to the Iqama Insurance Renewal section to proceed. You now fill the form, take your time, and double-check entries as you go. Enter the Iqama number first, then passport expiry and employer name exactly as on the document. Select coverage level and add dependents if applicable, because this changes the premium and benefits. Upload clear copies, scans, or phone photos work, so the system accepts them. Make sure to read benefit summaries before accepting. If prompted for employer authorization, request a digital signature or approval now to avoid delays. You finish by paying and saving proof. Complete the payment, then download the renewed policy and transaction receipt immediately. Why save it? You need the certificate for Iqama renewal at Jawazat or Absure. Make sure the policy number and Iqama name match perfectly. If the system rejects the application, first compare each field to your documents, especially passport expiry and employer name, then re-upload clearer scans. If still stuck, contact insurer support and provide the transaction ID to resolve the hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.